Hey guys, Brendan here with Slingmods.com, and today we have our weighted carbon fiber shift knobs by NRG Innovations. These carbon fiber shift knobs are a direct bolt-on replacement to the factory knob and are available in a variety of different options, including a ball style, egg style, and a tall style. The weight of the knob makes shifting an effortless experience, and the glossy carbon fiber and black textured base of the NRG adapter give your Slingshot a race-inspired look. This is sold as a kit and will include an NRG carbon fiber shift knob, an NRG shift knob adapter, as well as a small tube of Loctite. To install, start by removing your stock shifter by lifting up on the shift boot and loosening this 5mm Allen, so that the whole assembly will lift up and off. Then take that 5mm Allen screw all the way out and transfer it to your new NRG shift knob adapter. If you plan on reusing your stock shift boot, simply remove the silver ring and slide on your new adapter. But since we already have our adapter off, we're going to upgrade ours to the status racing shift boot. Slide your shift boot onto the NRG adapter from the bottom up. Then slide the NRG adapter with shift boot back onto the shifter assembly. And tighten down that 5mm Allen to lock it down into place. Next, you can take off this nut that comes with the NRG adapter since we won't be using it. Then take a towel and cover everything around the adapter. And then open the Loctite from the kit and add a little dab to the threads of the NRG adapter. Now just simply thread on your new weighted carbon fiber shift knob and turn it till it's tight. And be sure to let it sit for 24 hours so that the Loctite has time to cure. Now once installed, the shift knob looks fantastic and the extra weight feels good in your hands when you're shifting through the gears. Now if you're looking for an aftermarket carbon fiber shift knob for your Polaris Slingshot, then be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today and grab one for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Slingshot. I'm Brandon signing out. Till next time.